country is gearing up for what was supposed to be a massive vaccination drive for the young in the country. 18 plus onwards, everybody in the country was supposed to start getting vaccinated from the 1st of May. That's tomorrow. But as we speak now, a day before, it's seeming like more and more states have put their hands up in the air and saying they are simply incapable of vaccinating the young in the country. Why? Because there are no stocks. There are states, not just the opposition states, but even BJP-ruled states at this point who are saying they simply have no stocks. We'll start by looking at West Bengal for a moment, where also they have said that they cannot vaccinate the young in the country because there is no vaccination left with them. Monideepa Banerjee will explain.
In the huge and growing crisis for hospital beds in Kolkata, in Bengal, a shot in the arm, 153 new beds set up over here, by the Medica Super Speciality Hospital in collaboration with ITC, some sponsorship I believe, as well as the West Bengal government, which has let out this place to the hospital to set this up. With me, Dr. Alok Roy of Medica Super Speciality. What is the plan over here? How many beds, how many oxygen?
We have got total 153 beds between the ground floor and first floor. And this 153 bed, 100 beds are oxygen bed, or what we call it that high dependency unit, where we treat up to moderate disease. Those who require ventilation will have to be transported to the main hospital, but till ventilation, BiPAP, high flow nasal oxygen, cannulas, all that will be done in. We have prepared this space in exactly 4 days. This place was handed over to us on Monday afternoon. Today is Friday afternoon, and this place is ready with piped oxygen line, with the all oxygen, with the ABG gas machine, with the ECG, with defibrillators, anything which you require in a hospital which has our kind of quality, which is a corporate quality, is present here.
153 beds in 4 days. So it is possible to get our act together and provide more, is it?
It is always possible. There has to be a will. Here the ITC came forward with their sponsorship of 5 crores. Medica wanted to do it, and government gave us the space.
Dr. Kunal Sarkar of Medica with me. Dr. Sarkar, what is becoming a matter of concern is people are looking for oxygenated beds. Is there enough? How many over here?
We, out of 150 odd beds, we have about 65 oxygenated. Any of these beds we can give oxygen support. But you see, there are different degrees of oxygen support. But you see, this time, the nature of the affliction has been so unkind that 2, 3, 4 members of a family are all falling at the same simultaneously, which really has again opened up a huge need for people who may not be symptomatically very bad, but honestly they have no one to care for them.
Absolutely.
And anybody who's risking their, risking their status and wanting to care for somebody else would only make the infection worse. So we have need at both the ends. So we have kept about 80 odd beds, which is not for very heavy duty support. Still, if required, we can give oxygen. It has a separate oxygen plant over here. And there are 65 odd beds for people who will need some intravenous medication, oxygenation.
G.D. Shankar, Monideepa Banerjee, NDTV. In West Bengal, those between the ages of 18 to 45 will have to wait to get vaccinated. No vaccination for 18 plus age group is going to be possible in Bengal tomorrow. This according to top sources in the West Bengal government. For those who are above 45, vaccination will continue as usual at government hospitals, but not at private hospitals. If you're waiting for a second jab, a second dose of the vaccine, and you had got the first one at a private hospital, then you'll be required to go to a government hospital to get the second dose, unless things change between now and whenever your date of second vaccination. For instance, what we are also being told is that the government has contacted Serum Institute and Bharat Biotech and placed an order for 2 crore vaccines for the government sector, and additionally we are being told 1 crore doses for the private sector. But when these supplies will be available, there is no confirmation, no surety, no certainty about that. So no one is quite sure in the government when the 18 plus vaccinations will actually get off the ground. In the meantime, the center has been supplying free vaccines as usual, and those are being distributed to state hospitals and people are getting vaccinated. The last supply came in on the 28th of April. 4 lakh vaccines came into Bengal. Till those run out, vaccinations will continue. Hopefully by then, the private sector manufacturers will be able to meet the demands of the Bengal government and others. With Giri Shankar, Mandeepa Banerjee, NDTV.